So the next topic we are going to see about the machines of machine learning. So the machines of machine learning is used to tackle the classes of problems and that we have which have different kind of approaches. So we have different problems and we have a different approaches for lot of things. Sometimes for example in human life the lot of things have been already we have learned in schools while growing up. It is common, but unsteady, but by through experience, traditionally we have to follow some concept to solving the some type of some problems we could not learn through schools also. We have but that types of problems have been tackled by different solutions. So by grow up we are just learning by the environment, by observing the environment. By sometimes we are just learning the learning concept will be someone is feeding to us. What, for example, if we are learning English, the starting stages is we have to learn about A to Z, which we have to provide with the process, and we will follow the things for that. So the in this early stage, so let's going to see about the mechanics of machine learning. So here the data have been given lot. By here we have given circles, triangles, and anything for persons. We are just giving the data. So that data is revised or create a learning algorithm, and after that it's observed, the learning algorithm will create a model. At the model will be correct on once. Sometimes it may be occurs errors, so it could be divided through errors and the predictions. For we have one good example. It's a Spotify app. In Spotify app, if we by using it can be predict how the user could be used. For example, the Spotify app will be used by the all the age groups people. So some if they it will give the suggestions, and the most probably in playing the playlist, it is the it's a prediction machine algorithm have been implemented in the Spotify. So it will be we will think of that. I used to think early stages songs I will love to. Some people's depends upon people's and age. It will predict and give. It may be like or dislike by the humans, but it will predict most probably 99% the prediction will be give the accurate result. So that's why the Spotify app have been most popular in recent days. Then when compared to the playlist, the other app, the Spotify have been make a good one because of this machine learning, this algorithm. So the thing is this, when we compare to this machine learning in this 5 stages, the empathize, it will understand the same the Spotify concept. It will understand the analysis how the customer, I think the user is using the things, and it will define and clarify the problem clearly. So it's improve the prediction accuracy through the better for the learning mechanisms. So this is the machine learning process. In initial model it will create a model with the random parameters, and when we using we will use sometimes when we traveling we use other songs, different types of songs we will be used. Some place other places, other movement, other moves, it all will first it will analysis, and the data of input it will be created, and the parameters will be adjustments, and it will make these iterations and train the models. It will be made as the trained models. So here we are just using the theta. The goal is to choose theta that makes the most accurate prediction, and this represents the parameter that shapes the model with the decision boundary. So this may work more data helps narrate to the best choice. So this model predicts depends upon the weather fall above and below with the decision line. So a well positioned theta improves the accuracy of the data set. So this is the limitation models limitations and deep learning necessarily. So here the complex data patterns have been implemented with the high dimensional here they represents the high dimensional relationship, and it makes with the complex pattern types. So here the rise of deep learning, it's when traditional machine learning, it's multi-layer network, it's non-layer patterns and deep learning models. So deep learning models is always use the superior performance in the complex task. So I've already said this, like a child, it optimizes the learning algorithm and create a model and it will predict and the optimization. For another example, if we put apples in a box and we have to separate and we have putting apples and A, B, C, apple, banana and orange in a basket, it need to separate it by using this deep learning or machine learning concept, this AI concept. If we can say that banana shape is different, if it is not in shape like that means not in round, we can choose as banana, you can put banana, we can say, but the apple and orange is the same size, most probably it is in round. So how they if we how they can predict they will be equal, because we are saying that in round shape. So another step, so we have to train, like that way we have to train the data. Next we have to train the color. So like that way we have trained to get the correct answer, also correct data. The future towards artificial is cross-domain reasoning and self-learning with supervision and emotion-aware AI and human AI hybrid workflows. Thank you.